What we use here at K-zell Metals is the Miller AlumaFeed systems for all of our manual aluminum welding.
So we've had those about 3.5, 4 years. Basically on some military work where we're making some aluminum Navy parts. We've built 3 ship sets worth of parts now, and we've got some more coming up.
Shops like us at K-zell here, we're in this to make parts, and we want to do them the most efficient as possible to make money. I mean, that's what we're here for.
We've been able to look at a couple of contracts where the aluminum penetration requirement was incredibly severe. We had to have full penetration on that. We looked at a couple of competitors, and the AlumaPro was the only one that we could dial in and get consistent deep penetration on the welding of aluminum.
And you have to dial in for a corner joint or a fillet joint or a lap joint in different positions. Sometimes you can't get the optimum position. So having the control right at the fingertip just allows the welder to change per weld, so that he can walk to one end of the part, do a corner joint in the vertical position, then he can come back, just switch the parameter set and do a fillet weld right then and there.
The pulsing capabilities allow you to put some incredible heat into the root without adding so much wire that it cools it down. So you have a real high, fast pulse that gets the penetration down there, and it happens so quickly that it doesn't have a time to burn through or the puddle roll away from you, so it's controllable. The
profile pulsing on the AlumaFeed system is that it gives you kind of a coined look. It's more of a TIG look, which is, it's a cleaner look. People just like seeing that. It's just a visually aesthetic look to it. It also helps control the heat in certain cases as well. It's kind of a side benefit. What I like about the aluminum systems is they break up the starts, the steady state welding condition, and the crater into different programs or waveforms. Basically what that gives you is the ability to adjust the start separate from the welding condition, separate from the crater, and all vice versa. So you have a lot of control.
We have some guys that are very talented, and so them being able to make minor adjustments on the fly with the adaptive controls built into the gun makes them more comfortable using the systems, and with their comfort they go a little faster.